Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on the application of Microsoft Teams. You will click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about the application of Microsoft Teams and you will click here in this page. In this window of app info, you will go here to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to storage. In this page you will click on clear cache. Then here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode config. So that's all. Don't forget to subscribe, like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.